SPM, English Paper 2. SPM, English Paper 2.
Model question. You are a medical officer. You have been invited by a school to give a speech to the members of the health club. You decide to give a speech on the topic the value of food supplements. Write your speech. Use the following notes in your speech. Health products taken orally. To supplement our diet by increasing our total dietary intake. Contain nutrients, vitamins, minerals, herbs, enzymes. Name of manufacturer must be shown on label. Ensure food supplements are safe to consume. Side effects. Safety is not always assured in all users. People with chronic medical conditions such as diabetes, hypertension, or heart disease should consult doctor or pharmacist before taking. Should check before giving to a child. When writing your speech, you should remember to use the speech format. Use all the notes given. End your speech by thanking the audience.
Good morning, members of the health club. I am Dr. Subra. First, I wish to thank your school for inviting me here to give a speech on the value of food supplements. Food supplements are health products taken orally. The purpose of food supplements is to supplement our diet by increasing our total dietary intake. They contain nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, herbs, amino acids, and other substances like enzymes. Unlike medicine, manufacturers do not need approval to manufacture or sell food supplements. However, the name of the manufacturer must be shown on the label. Moreover, the manufacturer is responsible for establishing its own manufacturing practice guidelines. This is to ensure that the food supplements it produces are safe to consume. They must also contain the ingredients listed on the label. Food supplements are generally good for us. However, since food supplements contain active ingredients that have strong biological effects, their safety is not always assured in all users. People with chronic medical conditions such as diabetes, hypertension, or heart disease should consult their doctor or the pharmacist before taking any food supplements. This is because some of the supplements have side effects and so might be harmful to certain people. The same goes for children. While vitamin and mineral supplements are generally considered safe for children, parents should check with a doctor or pharmacist before giving these or any other food supplements to a child. I hope you have found my speech informative. Thank you for listening.
Orally, taken by mouth. Approved, agreement, support. Chronic, a disease or illness that cannot be cured. Orally, taken by mouth. Approved, agreement, support. Chronic, a disease or illness that cannot be cured.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.